Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking with Love, we're making oven-baked steak fries that are crispy on the outside and soft and creamy on the inside. The secret to making these incredible crispy fries is a cornstarch paste and just 3 tablespoons of oil. They're easy to make once you know how. Take a look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them and the entire recipe in the description box below. Begin by preheating your oven to 435 degrees and place a rack on the lowest position so it's closest to the heat source. Wash the potatoes thoroughly, cut off and discard any bruising or brown marks on your potatoes. And I'm making steak fries and slicing the potatoes first in half lengthwise and then in 1/4 inch thick slices. The amount of potatoes that you use depends on how many fries you'll want to make. If you're making fries for yourself, 1 or 2 potatoes is perfect. To make fries for a family of 4, use about 1 medium-sized potato per person. Next, mix up 5 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1½ cups of water and whisk to dissolve. Then microwave for 30 seconds, stir, and continue microwaving and stirring in 30-second intervals until the mixture begins to thicken. For me, it takes about 1.5 minutes. And I like the cornstarch mixture to be thick and pasty. Let it cool slightly, and while it's cooling, spray a baking sheet with vegetable spray and rub the oil across the sheet to coat. Then pour on 3 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil and tip the sheet to evenly spread the oil. Watch this America's Test Kitchen video to see why this works. Pour about half of the mixture over the potatoes. Use your fingers to spread the mixture across all the sides on the potato slices. Then place the fries onto the baking sheet, keeping some distance between the slices, which will help them get crispy and not just steam. Spray a sheet of aluminum foil with cooking spray, then cover the sheet pan tightly with the foil. Bake for about 12 minutes in the 435-degree oven. Then remove the foil and bake for about 15 to 18 more minutes until the fries are crispy on the bottom. Turn the fries and bake for 15 to 18 more minutes until the second side is crispy. Salt liberally and serve with your favorite sauce or ketchup. Mine is homemade Raising Cane's. If you like this recipe, consider sharing our channel with a friend. And if you love to entertain, check out our Potluck Favorites playlist. I'll see you in the next video.